Hi, welcome to week 11. This week, interesting week, I guess. It's dealing with knowledge management. So we want to talk about AI systems, we're going to talk virtual reality, along with knowledge management. How do I now manage the knowledge that a business has to acquire and use to make business decisions? So this is what this chapter is all about. Give you a link to some of the key terms, video on the lecture, give you one critical thinking assignment about NASA and how it uses knowledge maps and stuff, and of course the reflection journal. And keep in mind, you got the review quiz. Now the review quiz, one more time, the questions on the review quiz will appear on the final. So it wouldn't hurt you to take it, and maybe take it a couple of times just to make sure you got those questions down pat. If you have any questions, give me a call, send me an email, send me a text, whatever pleases you. Have a nice week. Talk to you next week. Bye-bye.